Hello friend, this is the seventh video of the Java series, and in this video we will talk about class and object. And if you are new to the channel and want to learn Java and other technical stuff, then start now by just hitting the subscribe button and press that bell icon so you don't miss anything in future when we will upload a video. So coming to the video, till now we all know that Java follows the concept of classing an object. Let's suppose we have this mobile phone, and this mobile phone is an object because the everything we saw via our eyes is an object, like this mobile phone. Let's imagine a TV or your pen. All these are object, and to building this object we need a structure, we need a blueprint, and the blueprint is a class. So class is what? Class is what which provide the structure to the object and the working of object. Let's say if we want to build this mobile phone, then we need the body of mobile, and the front facing speaker, and a screen, and this beautiful button. So creating this object we need this class. Yes, for creating this object we need this class so that we can build this. So coming to the programming part, let's come to the Sublime or any text editor which you want, and here create new file. In this video we are going to build a calculator, so create a file via calculator.java. Make sure that first letter of file should be capital, and here create a class. File name and class name should be same, so use the same name by which you save your file, and give it a curly braces so that we can define working of class, and make it public. I told you in previous video why we should do that, and the main method. And in this video we are creating a separate class so that we can create the separate class object and use that in our calculator class. So create here class, and you can name it whatever, it won't affect the working of programming, but just make sure that the first letter of this class also should be capital. So we create the object of this class in our calculator class. So give it a name. What we should do, calc. Yeah, it's fine, calc. And here what is class? And no, class not class. So what is object? There is a famous quote that object knows something and object does something. Object knows what? Object knows the variable we used in our class file, and object does what? Object does the method which we provide in our class. So create here some variable, so we use them by adding two number. So here create two variable, int wait a minute, int num1, yeah, and num2, and yes, and create a result also, because after adding this number we have to store our result in somewhere. So use result, and this is the part where our object knows something. Our object knows that there is two number, and the program should use these two number. For object does something, that part we have to create a method so that we use that method in our calculator class, so that object can do something. So create here method and addition, because we are performing addition of two number, and give it a return time, because without return time compiler show error, and give it a access modifier so that we can use that method in our calculator class via creating calc's object. Here result is what? Result is the addition of two numbers, so num1 plus num2, and give it a semicolon. Yes, now come to the calculator class, and here we should create an object of calc. So calc, yeah, and give it a name, give it here a reference name to that object. I'm using obj. This is a reference, not to say it is the object, because I see lots of people saying it is object. No, it's not an object, it's the reference to the calc object. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Now create the object obj equal new calc. This New Kelsey, yes, this is our object. We call new Kelsey is the object and obj is a reference to that Kelsey object. So, and we can create the object in one line, so remove this one extra line, and now, yes, now the object of Kelsey class is created. Now now we have to give it two numbers so that we can perform addition, and we cannot directly access num1 and num2 outside of the class. For accessing these values, we have to call via its object. So obj dot num1, and here store the value. First, for num1 use 10, and obj num2 I'm going to using number 20 equal 20. Yes. Now if let's thought, what is the output when we printing result? Obj dot result. Yes, think what should be output here. Let's print it. System dot out not printing. Yes, give it a semicolon and save the file and open the CMD. And yes, zoom in so you can, it's visible to you. And here our file name calculator dot java, java c calculator dot java, java compiler. Yes, hit enter. Error, what is the error? Cannot find symbol system dot out variable obj of type Kelsey. What's that? Oh, here result is a variable and I'm using result as a method. Sorry, it's my bad. Clear it and save file again and open to CMD. What should be result? Answer this in the comment section. And I'm seeing you are not using comment section. 0. Yes. Well, let's now you think why it's printing 0. It's printing 0 because our method addition didn't perform yet. You getting? In C we have garbage value, but in Java if you are not using any value, then its default value is 0. So use addition to have some value in result part. So visual dot addition. Now the correct result is printing on the screen. Compile file and run it again. Yes, 30. Yes, it's all right. Now if you are enjoy the video, then like the video and share it with your friend, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, then ask in comment section or DM me on my Instagram account.